Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to see exercise 4th chapter, Life Mathematics. Exercise 4.1. You know, the life mathematics is a very important chapter because the sums we use in daily life. Okay? So now we say exercise 4.1. First topic, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, if a 30% of x is 150, then what is the value of x? Then x is. Okay? So see, 30 percentage of x. So how do you write this? Equal to is means equal to 150. Okay? So 30% means 30 by 100. Of means multiply. Then x. This is equal to 150. So x is equal to 150. This 100 put the right side that goes to multiply. This is in denominator, divide, isn't it? So that moves to right side, that becomes multiply. So 150 multiple 100 by this 30 comes to denominator. Divide. Okay. Okay. Now see, cancel 10 cancel. Cancel the third table. Here 3 5s are 15. Okay. So what is the value of x? So this gives x is equal to 5 into 100, 500. So x value is 500. Understand children? Okay. Now see the second. 2 minutes is dash percentage to an hour. Okay. You know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Isn't it? So 2 minutes is dash percentage to an hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 by 60. Here we need percentage. So multiply by 100. Okay, 100 percentage. This gives. See, cancel to 1 0. Then cancel the second table here 1 time 3 times. 10 by 3 percentage. That means see 3 3s are 9. So the remainder is 1. So 3 1 by 3 percentage. Understand children? So 3 1 by 3 percentage. Okay. Now we see the third one. If x percentage is x percentage of x is equal to 25. So x percentage means what? X by 100 of means multiply. The of x is equal to multiply x is equal to 25. 25. Okay? Okay. So here see. So x into x is x square. This is equal to 225 into this 100 which to the right side that becomes multiply. So 100. Okay. So see here x square is equal to 25. We can write 5 square. 5 square. Then 100 we can write 10 square. So 10 square. See here this left side right side squares must cancel. Okay. So x is equal to 5 tens or 50. So what is the value of x? So x is equal to 50. Understood children? Good. So now see the fourth question. In a school of 1,400 students, there are 420 girls. The percentage of boys in the school is. Okay, so the number of girls is given. You have to find out the percentage of boys in the school. Okay. So now how many total number of students? So number of students in a school. That is equal to 1,400. Okay. So number of girls in a school, that is equal to 420. Okay. So 420. Okay. So how much number of boys? of boys in a school. How do you find out? Total number of students minus number of girls. You have to subtract. Okay. So if you subtract means what comes here? So this is 0, here 8, here 9. Okay, understand children? So 980 students. Okay. Okay. So now number of boys is 980. You have to find out the percentage of boys. Percentage of boys. Okay. So percentage of boys in a school, that is equal to. So see how many students number of boys are 980. Number of boys by number of total number of students, that is 1400. Multiple, you have to convert into percentage, no? So percentage means you have to multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Okay. This gives, see, 2 zeros cancel. Okay. Now cancel in the 7th table. Here 2 times 7 2s are 14. Here cancel in the 7th table. 1 7 is 7, remaining 2. So 7 4s are 28. So 4 times. Then here 1 0. Okay. Now cancel the second table. Here 7 0. So totally 70 percentage. What is the children? The percentage of boys in the school is 70 percentage. Okay. Now see the fifth question. 0.5252 is dash percentage. That means you have to convert into percentage. Okay. So decimal you have to convert into percentage means multiply by 100. You know already, isn't it? Good. So 0.5252 multiple 100 percentage. So this gives, see here multiply by 100. So this decimal point move to the right 2 steps, 2 digits. So 52.52 percentage. Okay, understand children? Now we see children. Second topic, rewrite each underlined part using percentage language. That means underlined part you have to write in percentage. Okay. So 1/2 of the cake is distributed to the children. So how much? 1/2. That means half. Half means how much? Half. Okay. Half we have to write in percentage. So percentage means multiply by 100 percentage. Okay. So cancel the second table here 50. So 50 percentage. Okay. 1/2 means that is a 50 percentage. Okay. Okay. Now we see second one. Aparna scored 7.5 points out of 10 in competition. So 7.5 out of 10. So 7.5 by 10. You have to convert into percentage, isn't it? So multiply by 100 percentage. Understand children? Okay. So here 1 0 cancel. Okay. So 7.5 multiplied by 10 means that is a 75. So 75 percentage. Okay. Good. Now see the statue was made of pure silver. When we say pure, that is a 100 percentage. Only we can say pure. Okay. So the pure silver means 100 percentage of silver. Am I correct children? Good. Yes. Okay. Now we see fourth one. 48 out of 50 students participated in sports. So how many students? 48 out of 50. So how do you write that? 48 by 50. 48 out of 50. So you have to, this is the underlined one. 48 out of 50. So this one you have to write in percentage. So 48 by 50 multiply by 100 percentage. Okay. So you can say you have 50. How many 50s in 100? 2. So 48 2s are 96. Okay. So 96 percentage. Okay. First children? Good. Now we see the fifth one. Only 2 persons out of 3. Here which is underlined 2 persons out of 3. Okay. So approximately. Okay, 66.67%. Understand children? Good. Listen children, the third sum. 48 is 32% of which number? Okay, so we consider the unknown is x. Okay, which number? That one you consider x. So how do you write here? 48 is 32% of x, isn't it? So 32% of x is equal to 48. Am I correct children? Yes. Okay. So 32% of x is equal to 48. So 32 by percentage means you have to write 32 by 100 of means multiple x. This is equal to 48. Okay. Okay. Now x is equal to 48 multiple this 100 comes to the right multiple. 48 multiple 100 by 32. Okay. Okay. Now we are cancelling the 8th table. Here 4 8s are 32. Then here 8th table 6 8s are 48. Again cancel with the second table. Here 2 times, here 3 times. Then second table here cancel by 100. So it's a 50. Okay. So 3 50s are 150. So 150. Okay. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 150. Okay. So 48 is 32% of 150. Okay. First children, good. Now we see the fourth question. What is 25% of 30% of 400? Okay. So 25%, how do you write? 25 by 100. Am I correct children? 25% means 25 by 100. Multiple of its multiple. Again here 30%. So 30 by 100 of means multiple 400. Okay? Okay, good. Now see cancel here 2 zeros cancel. Okay? Then see here cancel with here 25 by 100. Okay? So in 100 4 25 is. Okay? So 4 times. Here 1 time 4 times. This 4 and here cancel. Okay, so what is that answer? What is the 25% of 30% of 400? That is C 3. Sorry, 30. That is 30. Okay, now understand children? Good. Now we see that fifth one. If your car is sold for rupees 2 lakhs from its original price of 3 lakhs, then find the percentage of decrease in the value of the car. Okay. So what is the original price in the car? Original price of your car. That is equal to rupees 3 lakhs. Okay. Okay. Now, so it is sold for how much? Rupees 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. Okay. So what is the difference? How much amount decrease now? Yes. You have to subtract from original amount. So here 3 lakhs minus 2 lakhs is 1 lakh. Okay. So 1 lakh. The difference is 1 lakh. So the decrease amount is decrease amount. The decrease amount is 1 lakh. Okay, so you have to find out the percentage of decrease value of the car. Okay, so now how do you find out the percentage of decrease value of the car? That is equal to, see, so here 1 lakh is decrease amount by original amount. Which is the original amount? See, 3 lakhs is the original amount. Decrease percentage means decrease amount by original amount into 100%. Children, good. So 3 lakhs multiple 100%. Okay. Okay, good. So here the 5 zeros cancel. So here what comes? 100 by 3%. Okay, that is so you cancel the third table. So 33.33 percentage. 33.33%. Are you understand, children? Good. Listen, children. Sixth sum. If the difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number is 82.5, then find 20% of that number. 20%. There is a 20% of that number, that same number. Okay. Okay. First we consider the unknown is x. Unknown be x. Okay. So what do you write? Let a number be x. Let a number be x. Okay. So what is the given condition? The difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number. So 75% of x, because we consider the unknown number is x. So 75% of x minus 60% of x, the difference is 82.5. Have you got it, children? Yes, good. So here 75% of x means 75 by 100 multiple x. So 75 by 100 x minus here 60 by 100 multiple x means it is x. 60 by 100 x. This is equal to 82.5. Okay. Here the denominators are same. Okay. So you have to subtract the numerators. 75 minus 60 is 15. 15 by 100 and the common variable is x. This is equal to 82.5. Then x is equal to 82.5 multiple 100 divided by 15. Okay. So cancel with the fifth table. Here 3 times. 3 5s are 15. Here fifth table 1 time. 32 means the 6 5s are 15, remaining 2. So that is 25. Okay. So 16.5. Okay. Now cancel with the third table. Which table? Third table. Okay. Third table. So how many 3s in 16? 5 3s are 15. Okay. So 5 times. Remaining 1. So 15. Again 5 times. Okay. 5.5. So x is equal to 5.5 multiple 100. So this gives x is equal to 550. So how much x are? X is equal to 550. Okay. What is your question? Then find 20% of that number. So here the number how much we found? 550. So 20% of that number. What number? 550. So 550. This is equal to 25 by 100 multiple 550. Understand, children? Good. Now 1 0 1 0 cancel. Here 1 0 cancel. So 255s are and 110. Understand, children? So 20% of that number is 110. What is that number? Here the x is equal to 550. Okay. So 20% of 550 is equal to 110. Understand, children? Good. Now we see the seventh question. A number when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. Okay. A number. So unknown number. Okay. So you consider that is a x. Let a number be x. Okay. So x, a number increased by 18%. X, you consider the unknown number is x. X, you see the unknown number is x. So x plus a number when increased by 18%. So x plus 18% of x. This gives 236 to 36. Understand, children? Good. Okay. So now see your x plus 18 by 100 x. This is equal to 236. Okay. Now do the cross multiply. Here 100x comes now. 100 So 118 by 100 x. This is equal to 236. So x is equal to 236 multiple 100 by 118. Okay. So here see this double is 236. So here cancels 118 one times. So 2 times 118 2s are 236. So 2 into 100 is x is equal to 200. 200. Understand children? Good.